Camp Nou won't be ready. That's official now. Joan Gamper match postponed. Even Laporta was caught off guard. From unfinished seats to roof trusses barely in place, the situation's more serious than most fans thought. Today on GOAT Sports', we're breaking down what's really going on, what's been built, and what still isn't close. Let's get into it. Even Joan Laporta was caught off guard by the current state of Camp Nou. A new report confirms what many fans feared. The stadium won't be ready for the Joan Gamper match on August 10th. In fact, no new opening date has even been announced. The latest visuals reveal a stadium still missing large sections of seating and key infrastructure. That means Barça may stay at Montjuic longer than expected, with the return to Camp Nou now looking more like a 2025-26 season event. We kick things off with a moment fans have waited months for: the placement of one of the last major roof trusses. The tower crane moved into action Monday morning, closing off the third ring of the third tier. The platforms are in, bolts tightened, guide ropes released. It's a major structural milestone, and the roof structure is now finally ready to move forward. Big things are happening on the floor slabs too, especially at the goal sewer corner. Workers are laying protective fabric between concrete layers, installing rail tracks, and prepping perimeter treatments. Waterproofing is full steam ahead, and you can already see formwork panels and collaborating slabs rising at multiple corners. It's a blend of speed and precision across tiers 1.5 and 2.5. The prefabricated staircases are going up fast, especially near the ှᵃᵉ cores area. Crews have started installing railings under brutal heat, but the progress is real. The stair cores rise from basement level all the way up to the VIP floors. We're also seeing formwork going in for future elevator zones, all key steps to get those occupancy permits secured on time. Up in the diamond zone, crews are focusing on the north goal curve, finishing off the last double pillar base and prepping the wall truss connections. You'll also notice the newly installed fence and polished perimeter grounds. This area is starting to take shape as a highlight of the design, and the fresh breeze makes it a popular filming spot, even in peak heat. From concrete pours near the sewer lines to rapid panel board installation, workers are flying through checklists. Brackets on the third cantilever are nearly all installed, and metal composite sheets are going in for VIP Ring B's second floor. Some final stair railings are being replaced for better safety, and there's early prep underway for what might be the last two roof trusses. It's been a landmark week at Camp Nou. Major roof truss secured, floors prepped, and stairwells rising. The stadium is racing toward the September goal, but with roof work and diamond zone connections up next, the pressure's on. We'll keep watching every beam, slab, and sneaky surprise. And if you think this was impressive, wait till you see what's coming next week. If you want to catch every milestone before the first whistle blows, subscribe to GOAT Sports'. We're covering every beam, seat, and surprise at Camp Nou. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the ride, and we'll see you in the next update.